guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a Starry projector. So in case you guys are looking for a Starry projector, then definitely this review will help you. So this one is from Amazon. So this one. So this one, the Aurora Projector Light. It has white noise, sound, hands-free, and programmable scene modes, and it has white noise, so that's good. So previously also I have reviewed a couple of other Starry projectors, so this is a new one. So let's open it and see what's new in it. It comes with this USB Type-C. You can see the remote. Yeah, so we'll see how the projector works. The remote you can see. It needs two AAA battery. The battery doesn't include it. You just need two batteries. So let's see how it works. Connect this one now. We'll turn on the device and I will see. I just connected it with the USB 4. So let's turn on the device and we'll see. So it's somehow looking like this. Turn on and off. I will turn on.
Bluetooth mode.
And I'll turn off all the lights. You can see. Now I can turn on. The remote is working, so turn on with the remote.
Bluetooth mode.
So now so this is one mode, the LED mode. It's just the LED mode. So these are the different sets. This one is the white noise which comes from this device. So the next
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, it's another white noise. So this is the RGB from the blue. These are the white noise settings where you can directly play the white noise, like 8 white noise. This is the first one. This is the next one. This is another white moon, and this is. So you can play the white noise from here, from this remote, like top portion. This 8 white noise. This is the cloud one. And the next one is the waterfall. This is bed night sound. This is another white noise.
Bluetooth mode.
listeners. So you can also connect your phone to this device and play the song you like, but I cannot play the song because of these copyrights. So but these sounds are from this device, and it has the timer option, so you can choose the timer 1 hour, 2 hours. See you in the next video. Bye bye.